Hi, my name is Gebeni. You're welcome to Gebeni CSC, ICBC. I'm the pastor. Gebeni, God has been so amazing. We have seen a lot of changes. Recently, we had a plowing program, and there are homes where I believe they were not going to do the plowing unless if the church didn't step in and assist in that area. On the other hand, we also run the preschool, which has been doing very well as well. Kids, we are going to have 40 of them, and it's going to be fantastic. On our outreach, one of the outstanding story, it is a story of Maggie Joyce. Maggie Joyce has been bedridden for about 3 or 4 years, if I'm not mistaken. And the church has been supporting her. Initially, they were a couple. Now the husband has passed on. Both of them were bedridden. So now, but the church is still continuing supporting her.
Gogo Joyce Ntsebele. Ngiyabona ukuthi sekuneminyaka engitheni kumbe angathi khona lapha. Ngabaqala mina ukugula. Asilandzela abantu. Babeke sohambile. Kusele mina. Nakhona kuyabonakala sangasali nje. Manje kwenda nje. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngasipho. Nangani bafundisi. Ngoba sipho make fika la beda naleli sonto. Abaningi bamthatha kancane nje. Bathatha ngokuthi kumbe sothatha amakholo abo. Ngoba lamasonto lawa vele anjalo nje. Hayi. Sase siyasukuma nabantu. Siyasukuma siyayisekela indvodza. Sesibona sophindze futhi soqhamuka nekudla. Hawu mfowethu. Nangu ukudla dlanini. Upheke niki. Mase siyapheka siyadlana kumnanzi. Ana kumnanzi. Siphile lesipho. Webe ngekho sipho mina ngani ngikhanzi vele. Bana labanengi anibakhanzi ngalendlela lenzawo lena uthi bongela kakhulu bafundisi uNkulunkulu wethu ukuthi asilethele sipho mncane sipho kodwa wena into enkulu kakhulu la Gebeni siyamangala nje kwele insanzane la kwele afelokati kodwa asilali ngendlala abantu abantu kuba ukuthi nje kumbe phela akukefiki kudla naye kwamdlula sililele sithiwe sekukhona njalo siyabonga abantu abantu